Can you all turn on your videos and show me what you've got? Your apparatus, um, the strips and everything. Is the lemon, the tomato, milk, water, and soap or detergent solution ready with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Johanna. Hope you are ready too. Hannah and Johanna, videos on, please. You can't hear my voice. There must have been a network problem, Hannah. You can try rejoining, Hannah. You can try rejoining. Try to rejoin, please. Okay. Johanna, are you ready? Okay. I want you to keep a copy and a pen also close to you. Can you all do that? Keep a
Sorry, ma'am.
notebook. Keep a notebook and a pen also with you. Okay. Keep a notebook and pen also with you. Okay. Can I see your litmus papers? The turmeric litmus paper. Can I see?
Ma'am, I have them in my tray.
You haven't what? Can you repeat that?
I have it in my tray.
You have it in your tray. Okay. Can
One
you show
second.
that? Yes. Eva, can you remove the filter? It's a little blur. If there is a filter on the background black filter, can you remove that? Yes. And now show. Okay. Yes. That's right, Eva. All right. Okay. Johanna, Hannah, are you able to hear me now, Hannah?
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, Abaja. One second. Yes. Okay. So now, Abaja. Hmm. Okay. All right. Good work. Johanna, are you ready? Can you show Johanna? Okay. Hannah can still not hear me. So I will do one thing. Um, like for this class. Okay. Are you able to hear now, Hannah? Hannah, are you able to hear me now? Okay. I can see Johanna's. All right. Okay. I can see you, Hannah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hello, Zoe. Good morning.
Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay. No problem. Hope you're ready, Zoe. Everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So can all of you open up your videos and remove all the background filters and lift up your stripes all together, like together, so I can click a picture. You can do that, and then we'll start. Now hold your strips and lift them up, so we'll take a picture together.
Can I blur my background?
Yes, Johanna, your background is blurred. Can you remove that? Blur the background. Okay, ready? All right. Sounds good to me. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Can you all show me? Everyone? Everyone? Okay, I can see Eva's. Johanna's a little bit up. Yeah. Zoe. Okay, Hannah. Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, now we will start. Okay. Now, first let's take lemon. Do you have lemon? Can you show me your lemon, please? Okay. All right.
I have
So
lemon juice in a bowl, ma'am.
Ma'am, I poured lemon juice into a cup.
you got lemon juice into a cup. That is also fine. Okay. So you got lemon juice on a cup. If you've got a lemon directly, you can squeeze out some juice in a cup or in a small container. The rest of you can squeeze out the lemon juice into a little bit of the lemon juice into a small container.
Ma'am, I also only got the juice.
Okay, you also got the juice. All right. Okay, let me know when it's done here. Please let me know when it's done. Ready? Okay. Now I want you to take one strip and put one side of it into the lemon juice. Wet it into the lemon juice. I want you all to take one side of the strip and wet it into the lemon juice and then take it out.
Ma'am, mine turned yellow.
Yours turned yellow.
Mine
Okay.
too, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, mine too.
Yours too. All right. Can you show me closer? Okay, so it was a little red in color earlier and then it turned yellow with the lemon juice. Is that right? Okay. Anybody who's turned red? No. What about Johanna? Johanna, show. Okay. And Eva, you show. Okay. So yours changed a color, like your litmus paper was a little bit orangish in color, right? Is that right? A little bit orangish in color and it turned to yellow. Okay. Usually when a litmus paper is yellow in color, it turns red. Okay. This change of color indicates that lemon is an acidic substance. Okay. If yours, which was slightly reddish in color, change yellow, or if a yellow one changes a color to red. Okay. This indicates acid. Yes, Hannah.
Ma'am, it still turned yellow only, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Usually it turns red. Usually it is supposed to turn red. Did you use like show me the lemon, Hannah, once?
Ma'am, I
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, I used lemon juice.
You use lemon juice. Okay. Did you squeeze the lemon juice out like right before the class recently or like 1 or 2 days back, Hannah?
Ma'am, right before the class.
Right before the class. Okay. All right. But did it show a color change, Hannah? The strip, did it show a color change?
Ma'am, it became more saturated at a
More saturated. Okay. Because it will change. Okay. Even though it is a slight change, maybe. Okay. But it will change. Now see, the acidity also, the acid part of something is also on a scale. Okay. Is also on a scale. And some substances are lightly acidic and some substances are highly acidic. Okay, some substances lightly acidic, some substances highly acidic, and the same thing with bases also. Okay, some substances are, you can say, less saturated, less diluted, or diluted bases. Some are more concentrated bases. Okay, so that is there. Now I want you to keep this aside, keep this strip aside, and take another strip and take some water. Take another strip and take some water and dip the strip into water. Dip the strip into water.
Nothing happened, ma'am. It just got wet.
Nothing happened. Yes. When you dip it in water, nothing will happen. Okay? Nothing will happen. A blue color strip will remain blue only. Red one will remain red only. If it's yellow, it will remain yellow only. Yes, Zoe?
Sis- My sister is with me and she wants to show you. She already went ahead and did all of them. She wants to show you the color of one of the strips.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
It's red,
Okay.
ma'am.
It is red. Yes. So what did you use? Did you use a soap solution to get it red or
Dishwash
lemon?
water.
Say again,
Dishwash water.
please.
She used dishwash.
Dishwash. Yes, that's right. Okay, so dishwash and even lemon was to give you red color, but it's okay. Even if you notice a change in the texture or slight change in the color, it will indicate the acidic or basic nature. Okay. Hence, but you know, the different thing is water. Water will show no change in your litmus paper. Okay, it will just become wet and no change at all. Okay, no change at all in your litmus paper. Why is that so? Because water is neutral. Okay, the nature of water is neutral. It is not acidic, it's not basic. Okay, in the scale, it comes at the center, means neutral. So water cannot be classified as an acid. It cannot be classified as a base because it is neutral. Now come to, now we can test with a tomato. We can test with a tomato. Take one more strip and take some tomato juice, or you can take a tomato and squeeze the juice directly onto the strip.
Tomato.
Yes, Hannah. You can take the
Ma'am,
tomato. Yes.
ma'am, should I directly squeeze it into the strip?
Yes. You can directly squeeze the juice on the strip. Okay, tell me, what did you all get?
I got yellow again, ma'am.
Yellow again. Okay.
Me too, ma'am.
Okay, shows Abajo. Okay. Okay. Hannah. Eva show. Okay. And Johanna, you show please.
What should we do?
Tomato juice on the strip, Johanna. Tomato juice on the strip.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm a bit worried. Ma'am, others, ma'am, their strips are red. Ma'am, mine are yellow.
Mm-hmm. Hannah, the color should change to yellow.
No,
Okay, the color.
ma'am. The turmeric.
Sorry. 1 second. The color should change to red. Like, instead of like pale yellow or a different shade of yellow, it's supposed to change to red. But I think like maybe it maybe the turmeric coat that you applied. Okay, or maybe did you take a like thin paper, Hannah, or like a thick paper?
Ma'am, I took an A4 sheet.
You took an A4 sheet. Okay. You could have taken a more thinner paper, Hannah, I think, because the turmeric needs to absorb well into the paper. Okay. The turmeric needs to absorb well in the paper for it to indicate well. Understanding?
Okay.
Okay. Understanding. So if you all took a more thicker paper, then might have been that the turmeric didn't get absorbed well into the paper. Okay, making it look like a less, giving it a less of the result. But if you all take a light paper and coat nice turmeric, and also when you're making the turmeric solution, did you all make it really like thin or did you all add a lot of water? Okay, you're not supposed to do that. Okay, you're supposed to keep it medium consistency, just a little water, and then apply the turmeric coat on the paper. Okay, so that way you will like the more turmeric powder will be absorbed into the paper, it will give you better result. All right, understanding. So it's okay. Right now it's okay, but you can do it at home once again. Okay, you can do it at home, make it at home, repeat the same process, and do it once again on your own. And you can share the photos. Okay, now tomato one, Johanna and Eva. I think I didn't see yours. Both of you. Can I see? Okay. Hmm. Johanna filtered. Okay. All right. Now, the next thing we are going to do is dishwash with a dishwash or a soap solution or a detergent powder or detergent solution. Anything you can take in liquid form. Okay. You can use,
Ma'am, I took
yes, Hannah.
liquid.
Okay. Detergent liquid is fine. Dishwasher is fine. Liquid, anything soap solution, liquid form is fine. Please do it with that and show me.
Should it be liquid form or powder form?
If it is in powder form, take a little bit of powder and mix a little water in it and make it liquid, Johanna. Okay. If you have it in powder form, mix a little water in it and make it in liquid form.
Mine turned red, ma'am. I
You got
have
it.
two soaps. One turned a little bit yellow and the other turned red.
Okay. All right.
Mine also turned red.
Yours also turned red. Okay. Finally, a red litmus. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes. Abhijit, can you show yours? Done, Abhijit?
Yes, ma'am. Mine stayed yellow only.
Yours stayed yellow only. Hannah, did it become okay? Johanna became totally red, and Hannah, did it turn green? Do you think it turned slightly green in color, Hannah?
Ma'am, maybe I don't know. I took a blue solution, ma'am.
You took a blue solution. Okay, that's why I'm asking. Some of you, depending on the detergent soap solution, it would turn slightly green shade also, a light green color for some of you in this one. Or if you've taken like strong these things, detergent solutions and all, it would turn red. Okay, so this color change here indicates a strong base. Yes, Hannah.
So if I, ma'am, if I take a dishwash soap or a liquid, ma'am, then it would change red.
Yes, Hannah, I think so. Like for Zoe and Johanna, it did. I think if you would take a dishwash, it would change red. That's right. Okay. And see, in this image, the yellow litmus papers are made with turmeric. Okay. And it is with the lemon juice, it will slightly change to like a different shade of yellow with an acid, as the image is showing, and with a base, it will turn red. Okay. Bases are all your detergents, okay, your dishwashers and your soap solutions and your baking soda solutions. These are all your bases. Okay, these are all your bases. Okay, for those of you who feel they didn't get a like color change or any particular color change, you can try out this again at home today. Okay, or like any time in the month. Also, you can, like, if you want, you can buy a pH indicator strip pack. Okay, to try it with more liquids and to give you a more prominent color, there is a small strips pack. Okay, do you know in the market you get red litmus pack, small pack of strips, blue litmus pack, small pack, or pH indicator universal. Okay, yes, Anna.
Ma'am, I left my water for a bit and it turned slightly red. Now,
So, Hannah.
ma'am, after dipping my water and leaving it for some time, ma'am, it turned slightly orange.
Slightly orange. Okay. Okay, we can say that it is a base, but not a very strong base. Okay, but a base. You can say that it is a base. Eva,
Still red.
show,
Ma'am,
show yours, Eva. Yes, Zoe.
Ma'am, which one?
Uh, the detergent one, Eva. Okay, okay, red. All right. Hmm. Okay. Avija, if you want, you can try once again with a detergent or something. Okay. You can take some other type of detergent, maybe a dishwasher, and try once.
Can I use
Okay.
hand?
What did you just try with, Abhija?
Ma'am, dishwashing soap only.
Dishwashing soap only. Okay. Maybe it was mild. Maybe. Don't know.
Ma'am,
Maybe. Yes, Hannah.
ma'am, can I
Yes.
try hand wash, like little hand wash?
Yes, you can try hand wash also. You can try hand wash. You can try any of these things. They are all bases. Okay. Now, one thing I will show you. One thing I want to show you, and then we'll be ending the experiments.
Ma'am, what about the milk?
What about the milk? Oh, we didn't do milk, right? Can you do that? Can you do the milk? I think you will be getting the yellow strip only with the milk. Try with the milk also once. If you have a strip left, please try with the milk also.
Ma'am,
Got
Yes,
slightly
it
yellow,
is
ma'am.
yellow.
slightly yellow. Hmm. Okay, you will get it slightly yellow. That's right.
Ma'am, I have the indicator paper, ma'am.
Yeah, Zoe. Okay, yes, that is the universal indicator, Zoe. Now the universal indicator, if you try use one sheet in a base, Zoe, try using take out one sheet of the universal indicator and put it in a base solution, any detergent, and show. Yes, everyone please see Zoe's screen once. I'm gonna spotlight you, Zoe. Yes.
See what it says.
Hmm. Yeah, Zoe, that's right. Show once again the strip. The strip. Yes. So see, this is an indication of a green color. It means a hand soap. Okay, means a hand soap, which is you can say on the ninth or the 10th number. Baking soda, a lighter
It's the
shade of
10th,
green. You
ma'am.
can,
It's the
yes.
10th.
Okay, yes. So that way you can check with the universal indicator. Okay. See, now what happens with universal indicator is that universal indicator is made up of it is such an indicator that it will change color according to this pH scale that you can see on your screen. Okay. A universal indicator will change to according to this pH scale. If your base is highly concentrated, your universal indicator will change its color to purple. For example, if you take solutions of alkalis, okay, it will turn purple, okay. And if you take a bleach, ammonia solution bleach, your universal indicator paper will show blue colors. Baking soda and hand soap, it will show green colors. Milk yellow. Water, it will not change because water is neutral. So water, the universal indicator will not change color. And in the case of acids, tomato juice, Zoe, can you use tomato juice and show? Try with tomato juice and show. It will give you orange color and red for lemon juice and apple juice and for very dark red for gastric acid, hydrochloric acid and all the acids present in our body. Okay, that is a deep red. Okay, so that is like the universal indicator will it works on the scale, but your turmeric indicator also works. Okay, the turmeric indicator works with acids and bases both. Yeah, Zoe.
What should I try it with, ma'am?
Tomato, Zoe. Try it with tomato. Now see, about your turmeric indicators, what happens is that if it is a very strong base, it shows red. Okay, it shows red. If it is a mild base, such as you can say maybe the hand soap or maybe an egg or something. Okay, a mild soap means slightly red or orange or yellow. A very strong soap base means dark red for turmeric. Okay. If it is acids also, strong acids, it will show red. Okay. Or like if the turmeric paper is lesser in the paper, may as well show yellow. But it is acidic only. Okay. It is acidic only. If I think lesser turmeric absorbed into the paper, na, it will detect here. What you all got, Abija Hannah, what you all got, it detected it here in this range, but this range is also acidic. Okay, this range is also acidic. But if the paper absorbs more of the turmeric, it will directly show you to this range. This range.
I didn't really get a color with the tomato.
You didn't really get a color with the
I didn't
tomato.
get a color, ma'am.
Okay. All
Lemon
right.
turned fully red though.
Lemon will turn fully red because lemon is acidic. A universal will turn fully red here. Turmeric will also turn red here with lemon. Yes, Hannah.
Ma'am, what about milk?
What about milk? Did you all do with milk? Yeah, milk is a little like closer, like water is neutral. Milk comes a little bit of acid on the acidic side, but not very acidic. That you can consider milk an acid. No. Okay. A little bit more on the acid side, just a little bit, close to water, just a little bit on the acidic side, milk is there. Okay. But because it is a very mild acid, it will not give you a color change of the litmus. Okay. It will not really give you a color change of the litmus. Milk. If you try with milk, you will get only yellow color only. Have you all done with milk? So, okay. A slight color change. Okay. All right. Maybe no color change or a slight yellow you
It's
will
very
get.
slight, ma'am. It's a
Very
number
slight.
7.
Okay. Very slight because milk is very mild acid, like not even considered an acid fully. Okay. Just a little bit on the acidic side, but very mild. Understood now? Hope you all understand it. Nice. Understood how these things work. Hope you all understood the acidic and basic nature. Yeah. Okay. Do you know? Yes, Hannah.
Ma'am, this is all my strips together. Ma'am, it didn't show a real good change, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you can try with a very thin piece of paper, Hannah, next time. Okay. Make a more concentrated thermic solution and use a very lightweight thin paper.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, for the turmeric litmus paper, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
I mixed more water, ma'am, and I also brushed off some turmeric pieces if there was a turmeric dust, ma'am, after it dried.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Hannah, don't use more water. Okay. Please don't use too much water when you're preparing the coat because too much of water will dilute your turmeric. Okay, when you are making the papers, please don't use too much water. Use only very little water and make a thicker paste. Okay, and don't dust off the remaining turmeric once it dries off or something. You can just keep it as it is. Okay, you can just keep it as it is. Make slightly more thicker paste. Use less water and thin paper strips. Okay, not very thick A4 size sheets, but use normal notebook page. Okay, you all can use normal notebook pages, thinner pages to make the strips. So turmeric will absorb well into the paper and then it will give you change of colors. Okay. Okay, now turmeric papers don't turn green, don't turn like this colors like the purples. Okay, because number one is we are not using the concentrated basis. Okay, but the results that you will get is when you do this, tomato juice fund will turn slight orange. Okay, lemon will turn red. Okay, and hand soap, if you're using universal, it will turn green. And if you're using turmeric litmus, it will again turn red. Okay, for the bases also. The hand soaps or solutions, it will change the color. But if you're using universal, then it will turn according to the scale. Okay. All right. So, hope you enjoyed the experiment. Hope you had fun. After the class, like you can just don't throw anything away. Just keep everything at the side right now. Okay. After the maths class, you can take everything, arrange it, like you can put the lemon, put the strip like that, put the milk, put the strip like that. Okay, put soap, put the strip like that, and then click a picture of the setup and then send it to me. Okay, you all can share it that way. All right, and that's it. That's it for the science experiment. Hope you enjoyed today. Hope you learned how acids and bases work and how they are different, how they work and how they are different. So we can do like we can plan out one more experiment in the next month. In the upcoming months, we can plan some more experiments. We can do more experiments next time. And that's it for you. 5 minutes break, and then we'll be starting with maths class. 5 minutes break for you. You can go wash your hands, have water, and come back. Okay, let's begin. It is on, please. Eva, Hannah,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is on, please. Yes. Okay. Now see, in the previous class, we discussed about profit and loss, right? We talked about profit and loss. And today, and then we saw what is profit percent and what is loss percent. That's what we saw. We saw profit and loss, and then profit percent and loss percent. Today we will see about selling price and cost price. Okay, about selling price and cost price. Sometimes in the question, sometimes in the question, you will have you will have the cost price given, cost price given. Okay, you would have the profit percentage given, but you would have to calculate what is the selling price. Okay, or maybe in some other question, you will have the selling price given, you will have the loss percentage given. Question will ask you, what is the cost price? What is the cost price? Okay, that also. So for that, to calculate all these things, I will give you some formulas. You don't have to copy this, Johanna. Okay. You can copy what I will write now. That is the formulas to calculate these things which are not given to us. Okay. Now, when you have to find out selling price, then all the other things are given. Okay. Selling price is equals to, this is the formula for selling price to calculate selling price. First formula is selling price is equals to, selling price is equals to 100 minus, oh sorry, 100 plus, if it is a profit, 100 plus profit upon 100 multiplied by cost price. In case of profit, in case of profit, when you have a profit, okay, when you have a profit percentage, okay, 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 multiplied by cost price in case of profit. What if we have loss? What if we have loss? Then the formula will become selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus loss percent upon 100 upon 100 into cost price in case of loss. Okay. Believe me, these formulas are very helpful for you when you will solve the upcoming exercises. Okay, all of it is based on just these couple formulas. Okay, finding the selling price 100, you add profit percent to 100 and then divide the whole thing by 100 as base and then multiply the answer with cost price. When you are getting profit, when you are getting a loss, 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into cost price in case of loss. Written till here, done writing. Now, I'm giving formulas to calculate cost price when selling price is given. Okay, right now we saw to calculate selling price when cost price is given. The formulas now are calculating. Hello, Joshua. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, good afternoon. I'm sorry. Ma'am.
It's okay, Joshua. Please write this down. I just gave formulas to calculate selling price when cost price is given using profit percent and cost price. Okay, please write this down. Write this down, Joshua. To calculate cost price. These are the formulas. First one, cost price is equals to. Now see, when we are calculating cost price, we will do the reverse of this thing. The reverse of this thing. Okay, how? How we will do 100 upon 100 upon 100 minus, sorry, 100 plus profit percent, 100 upon 100 plus profit percent multiplied by selling price in case of profit. In case of profit. Okay, means you reverse this thing. Uh, for selling price to calculate SP, it was 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. To calculate CP, you reverse that. It becomes 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP in case of profit. Same thing we will do in the case of loss also. Okay, same thing we will do in the case of loss also. I will write it down. Cost price is equals to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus loss percent into selling price in case of loss. Okay, in case of loss. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in any of the formulas? We will try out questions based on all four. Okay, based on every situation, we will try out question. First finish writing, and then we'll do some questions.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Zoe done? Hannah?
Done, ma'am.
Oh, all right now. Now questions. I'm clearing the screen. Okay, check out this question. A watch was sold for rupees 3,290, and there was a loss of 6%. Find the cost price. Find cost price. Okay. Formula for cost price. When we have to find, yes, when there is a loss and we have to find cost price. What's the formula? Cost price is equals to, cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent multiplied by selling price. Okay. 100 divided by 100 minus 6% into selling price. Okay. So let's solve this. What is 6%? 6%. 6% means that 6 upon 100. Okay, I will just do it for you here. 6%. Percent sign means upon 100. 6% is sixth part of 100. Okay, 6 upon 100. So, do you know how to convert your fraction to decimal, like 6 upon 100? Do you know how to convert it? See, two decimal places are there. Two decimal places are there. So the point will come after, like, two decimal places you will leave from the right side and then you put the point. So this 6 upon 100 becomes 0.0. Yes, Joshua, message me the answer. 0.06. Okay. So either you can do like this. You can do 100 upon 100 minus 0.06 into 3290. 3290. Okay. You can use this method, or you can do, one more thing. Let me check if that thing you can do. 3005. Yes, Rashma, that's the correct answer. 100 minus 6%. Huh? So 6 upon 100. Do you know the part where we can just reciprocal this and this fraction goes on top? Okay, that's also one method. How this will become 100 minus 600 minus 6 upon 100. Okay, your 6%, you can just take it to a reciprocal and do 100 minus 6 upon 100 into 3290. That's what you did, Joshua, right? First price into 94 upon 100 into first price 3290. Now what you have to do is you can cancel out the zeros. You can divide 94, 2 5s are 10, 94 by 2, multiply 329 with 47. Just a second. Just a second. One second.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is the answer 3926?
3926. You are getting? No, Hannah, that is not the answer. 3926 is not the answer. Okay. Okay, let's do a different method. Let's try out a different method. Find the first quantity. Okay. We can use reverse formula method also. Selling price. Selling price is equals to first price multiplied by 100 minus 6 upon 100. 3290 first price into 9400 minus 6 94 upon 100. So the cost price we will transfer to one side and 3290 we will transfer to one side. Okay. So cost price is equals to cost price is equals to 3290 into 100 upon 94. Reciprocal will happen here. Okay. A reciprocal will happen here because we have to calculate the cost price and we are transferring the cost price to the other side. We can take a reciprocal and now you can multiply 329000 upon 94. Please divide this and see. Please divide this and see. 329000 by 94. 3500 is the answer that we will be getting. 3500 is the answer that we will get. Please write this down and then we will check out a few more questions.
Done, ma'am.
A few more questions we will check. Done writing. In the next question, the cost price is 650 rupees. Loss 5%. Selling price we have to find. Okay. Cost price is 650. Loss is 5% and selling price we have to try and find. To find selling price, you can use the formula selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into 650. 100 minus 5% upon 100 into 650.
Ma'am, this is a new question, ma'am.
Yes, Joshua, this is a
We
new
have to do this.
question.
We have to do this, ma'am.
Yes, you have to solve this. Solve this and tell me, please. I will write the figures for you. 100 minus 5%. 400 multiplied by 650.
Ma'am, I got an answer, ma'am.
Okay, Joshua, can you text me?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Um, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. There is one more method to solve this. Okay. There is one more method to solve this. I will teach you that also. It's a little bit simple. Okay. You have loss percent. Convert the loss percent to loss. Convert loss percent to loss. And then with loss and cost price, find the selling price. Okay. See what to do in this method. What to do in this method. First you can calculate loss. Okay. Loss is equals to 5% of cost price. Okay, so 5 upon 100, this is I think more easy for you. Into cost price 650. Okay, cancel out 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, 65 upon 65 upon 2. Hope Abhijah is there. Abhijah,
Yes,
cancel.
ma'am.
2 ones are 2, 2 threes are point. Okay, no, 2s are 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, point 5. Okay, 32.5 इधर है. Okay, 32.5 or 32.50. If you put a 0, it will be fully divisible. So 32.50 rupees is your loss. Okay. Now, once you have the loss, what you can do? what you can do is you can use this formula. Selling price is equals to cost price. Selling price is equals to cost price minus loss. Minus loss. Okay. Selling price is equals to cost price minus loss. What's my cost price? 650 minus 32.5. You can minus it in this manner. 650.00 minus 32.50. Carry it from here. 4s are 4, 10, 9, 10. 0 as it is. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. The point. 4 minus 3, 1 and 6. Okay. Answer is equals to 617.50 rupees. Okay. A little bit more simpler method than the previous one. The previous one was a formula. This method is also there. You can use it. Okay. This method, you can say shortcut method, a little bit more easy. Short method, which will give you the same answer. Okay. Which will give you the same answer. What I did, first I calculated loss. Loss, you know that is 5% and the cost price is 650. I calculated 5% of cost price, 650, to give me the loss. Loss I got after dividing 65 by 2, I got 32 rupees loss. Okay, 32 rupees, 32.50 rupees loss. Then to find out selling price, I subtracted loss from cost price. Loss from cost price and it gave me the selling price 617.50. Okay. Hope this method is clear now. Hope this method was a bit clear, more clear for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Understood. Zoe, Johanna, Apija, Hannah. Yeah. Okay. Just have to calculate the percent and find out the loss. Yes, Hannah. Unmute yourself and say
Ma'am,
yes.
do we know to put, ma'am, after solving the second fraction, ma'am, you wrote
Hmm.
32.50. Ma'am, how do we know if we should put a 0 or not?
How should you know if you have to put a 0 or not? Okay. I was dividing 65 with 2, right? Okay, 65 with 2. So 2, what I was doing is 2 3s are 6, bring down 5. 2 4, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 4. 1, put a point. 0, 5s are 10. Hannah, it is being finished up to 5. That is one decimal place. But do you know that in decimals we finish up to 2 decimal places? If you've heard this thing, that always use up to 2 decimal places. So to make it up to 2 decimal places, I can just put 0, means 32.5 and 32.50, one and the same thing. Okay, one and the same thing. So even if you don't put a 0, it's okay here. And if you want, you can put a 0 to show like 32.50, considering 100 as the base. Okay, or 32.5 is also like usable, no problem in that. Then your answer will be 617.5. Okay, it is a correct answer. 617.5 is also a correct answer. 617.50 is also a correct answer. Your book, the answer is 617.50. Up to 2 decimal places they have written in the book. But 617.5 is also a correct answer. Okay. One more question. One more question. Now I will give you. Check this out. Hmm. Yes.
Ma'am, is this question for us?
Can you all go one person at a time, please? Hannah and Joshua. Hannah.
I'm done writing, ma'am.
You are not done writing. Okay. Please do write. Yes, Joshua. Joshua.
The next question for us, ma'am.
You can just ask first, Joshua. You can just ask first.
No, ma'am. You said you'll give us a question, ma'am.
Yes, I will give you a question. So the question is this. The question is this. The first prize is rupees 40 and profit percent is 15%. You have to find the selling price. Solve this, please. First price is 40 rupees. Profit is 15%. Selling price you have to find out. Find the selling price.
Ma'am, I got an answer, ma'am.
Yes, Joshua, what did you get?
Should I message you, ma'am, or just say it?
You can just say it.
Ma'am, I got 46, ma'am.
46 is correct, Joshua. How many of you all are getting 46 as an answer? Anyone getting 46 as an answer? Abhijit? Profit is 15% of cost price. Okay. 15 upon 100 multiplied by 40. Cancel. 2 5s are 10. And no, not with 2. We can cancel this. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 into 2 is 6. Profit is 6 rupees. Profit 6 rupees. Now, to find out the this thing, selling price, cost price is like to cost price, we add profit and then we get the selling price. This thing I explained in the first day. this thing we studied in the first day, that in the cost price, when we add profit, what we get, the price at which we sell, selling price. Okay, so that's what we will do. Cost price is how much? 40 plus profit 6, selling price rupees 46. Okay, these questions, when you do it like this, they are very simple. All right. One more thing. In some questions of the homework that I'm going to give you today, exercise 8.5, in some questions your profit is in fraction. Okay. In some questions, we have profit given in fraction, not in a percent. It is fraction percent. How to work out a fraction percent, I will discuss it with you tomorrow. In tomorrow's class, we will see how to work when your profit is given to you in percent, and when you have selling price given and cost price you have to find out. Today we saw when cost price was given and selling price you have to find out. Tomorrow we will see when selling price is given and cost price you have to find out. Okay, that we will see tomorrow. And also we will see when profit is given and it's given in percentage, how do you solve it? Okay, when profit is given, but it is given in percentage, how do you solve it? That's what we will see tomorrow. Any doubts in today's questions? Any doubts till now in today's questions? No? No? Hannah, Johanna, any doubts? No? I'm going to give you some questions to practice, okay, about what we learned today, and finish them up. Finish them up and send me the homework, please. Joshua, homework. Homework I need, okay. And Eva, you too. If there's any pending homework, please send me. Okay. Zoe, okay. Abijah, Hannah, Johanna received the homework. Zoe, Eva, Joshua, you all send me. And that's it. That's it for you today. And I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.